Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. It started out interestingly enough. I just had this curious notion about a solar powered air conditioner. Could I cool myself if the power was out? So I have this desktop mini evaporative cooler. I was running it on this solar charged power bank. That's 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. And I also had this additional solar panel supporting the power bank, and my evaporative cooler ran for about 3 hours, but then I ran into this. Okay, so after cooling myself for 3 hours, it took 3 days to charge this solar charged power bank with that additional solar panel attached. Here you can see after 1 day I got 2 bars. So that's both panels working all day long. So we need to do something else here. So after that experience, I was over at Costco shopping, and they had this on the shelf. Goal Zero Yeti 1000X, and it comes with what they call a 200-watt solar generator. And you're going to have a hard time getting me to part with $1,600, especially without being able to test a similar scenario. So I happened upon this Marlboro. It's a 300-watt AC inverter with a 297 watt hour, that's 82,500 milliamp hour battery. And I got two of them for this price because there was a 50% coupon here. So I scored two of these. Now there's a 20% coupon. So if you see a good price, go ahead and grab them. But you're basically looking at paying $1 per watt hour on these things, no matter what you're looking at. See, here was 1,000 watt hours, and it's $1,000 plus another 600 for the solar panel. So that's what I'm seeing. And this battery looks like it would be capable of doing a variety of things around the house during a power outage. Let's check this out. Yeah, here's the Marlboro portable power station. The packaging was very thorough and well padded. And it comes with some accessory cables as well. So on the front panel you've got USB charging options and power 3.0 60 watt output there, DC out and DC in. And then on the back you press the AC button, and that activates the AC inverter, and you'll hear a little fan kick in. You got up to 300 watts on those AC outlets. And for the accessory cables, we have some automotive charging and power options, and there is a AC charger in there. Okay. Here I have the Marlboro power station powering my portable editing station here. This is an old HP Core i5, so it's not the most power friendly, but I imagine I could get through the whole day on that fully charged Marlboro power station there. Yeah, so that's great. I can use this battery to do a variety of things around the house, but now how do I charge it if there's no electricity? So I need to go down the road of solar panels. I started out here on AliExpress. Let's just call this the cheap route here. I got one of these with the power regulator. You definitely want to get one of these regulators if you're going to start playing around with the solar panels. And then I got 3 more of these panels. I want to make these videos not so much about which one of these products are good or which one of these products are bad, as to demonstrate what each of these products is capable of. Let's see what we can do here initially with the 4 of these 200 watt. I don't think these are 200 watts, let me tell you, not for that price. Let's see what they can do. Here's the cheap Chinese solar panel. It comes with that regulator there and an accessory kit. Now, this is just barely bigger than a foot on each side there. And I created this wiring harness that will let me hook 4 of these solar panels to the Marlboro power station. Here I created this gargantuan 4 USB cables to 1 USB out. And I'm trying to charge that solar charged power bank. And you can see I'm getting 0.2 of an amp at 5.13 volts. It's going to be a long time charging that power station this way. I learned some lessons here. Stay tuned for future videos. Yeah, 0.2 amps, 5.13 volts. Now on the 12 volt side, here I've got my 12 volt wiring harness all coming to charge the Marlboro power station. The hardest thing about the Marlboro power station is when you get it outside, you cannot see the panel. So I'm trying to film it, but I can't even see it. So that's one of the drawbacks here. It's almost got an iridescent coating. It's blinking like it's charging, but the Marlboro requires 13 volts to 24 volts, and you see I'm below that 13 volts. I don't think these 4 solar panels are going to charge the Marlboro power station. Okay, well, that was pretty lackluster. I didn't get anything. I couldn't move the needle with these solar panels in that particular arrangement that I had. Stay tuned, because I will show you in my next video what these panels are actually capable of. Might suit your needs. So then I stumbled across this Flash Fish 18 volt 100 watt folding solar panel, and it was significantly cheaper than this at the time. It was $165, and you know, based on all of the shopping I've been doing, it was a good price. It's an interesting unit. You know, it opens up in the back. It's got a little pouch where it carries all the cables, and it's got like a USB out, a C out, and the DC out for charging your solar generator. They call them solar generators. They're really just a big battery. But let's take a look. Yeah, so here's that Flash Fish folding 18 volt 100 watt portable solar panel. I have it in the back room, our conservatory, where we have some plants for oxygen. And I thought I could just charge my Galaxy S20 using this. And the Galaxy S20 actually discharged while connecting to it in this scenario. So you have to put these things in direct sunlight. And when I put the Flash Fish panel outside, yeah, the heat started to warp the panel, and I didn't want to have it damage it. So I cut that experiment short. We'll try again. So I want to get up early in the morning as soon as the sun comes out and see if I can move the needle with this Flash Fish 18 volt 100 watt. So stay tuned. Then during Amazon Prime Day, I scored 2 of these RockPal 60 watt foldable solar panel kits. They were $100 each, and let's take a look at these. Here's the RockPal 60 watt folding solar panels. This looks pretty sturdy. I was impressed by the weight and the sturdiness of it, but most impressive is this cord is over 8 feet long. It's the longest of the cords that I got with any of these kits. And that's important because, like I say, you have to keep whatever you're charging cool out of the sun, and you need the solar panels in the sun. So it's really a big challenge. Here I almost am able to see the screen on the Marlboro power station, and you can see I'm getting 23 volts here. And if we watch carefully, we'll see it drop down to 22 volts on the RockPal 60 watt. I've got 2 of those. I'm waiting for the Y cable to come in because I really think the 2 of them together are going to be able to charge this station. Yeah, I didn't get the Y cable so that I could put the 2 together. I'm looking forward to trying this out soon. I really feel strongly that I will be able to charge my little Marlboro solar generator with a couple of these RockPal 60 watt solar panels with the Y cable, so stay tuned. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick glimpse into exploring portable solar power, and if you've had success charging your solar generator with any of these foldable solar panels, please leave a comment down below. I'm interested to hear from you. Give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my videos on the Shitoku Tech channel, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.